Hi, this is Ms. Loftus, and we're going to be going through the study guide for Unit 2. The test is going to be Monday, October 3rd. The first section is just add or subtract, so we're going to do one quick example. This is problem number 2, 3,295 plus 236. The reason we're choosing this one is because there is nothing in the thousands place. You want to fill in a 0. 5 plus 6 is 11. You're going to bring the ones place down and carry the tens. 9 plus 1 is 10, plus 3 is 13. 1's going to come up again. 2 plus 2 is 4, plus 1 is 5. And then we've got the 3 by itself, 3,531. That's an example of an addition problem we had. We're also going to try 892, take away 95. That's another question on the study guide. We can't do this here. 2 take away 5 we can't do, so we have to go borrow one from our neighbor. We borrow one from our neighbor, this becomes an 8, and we give the one we borrowed right in front of the number we had. It's now a 12. 12 take away 5 is 7. We've got a problem here again. 8 take away 9 we can't do, so we're going to borrow from our neighbor. This becomes a 7, and now we've got an 18. 18 take away 9 is 9, and we've got the 7. 797. Here are the answers to the study guide questions. If you're stuck on any of them and would like to check them, here are the answers. For draw a polygon, you could draw any shape that is not crossed, curved, or open. So a square would work. This is not crossed, curved, or open. A trapezoid would work. It is none of those things. It's a polygon. There could be many different examples for a polygon. A shape that is not a polygon would be anything crossed, curved, or open. For example, this shape is intersecting. It's not a polygon. This is curved. It is not a polygon. And this is open. It is not a polygon. For equivalent names, all you want to do is make sure you come up with different ways to make the target of 25. 5 times 5 is 25, so is 30. Take away 5, 25. The same thing for the number 18. You could add, subtract, multiply, or divide, anything to get the number 18. Draw a line segment to the nearest centimeter. We're just going to get our centimeter ruler out and go 10.5. Make sure you're starting where 0 is on your ruler, not at the end of the ruler. So we've got 10.5, and here we've got 8.5. Make sure you have endpoints because they are line segments. And finally, for our data in a graph question, you want to pull all the numbers out. How many 10s do I have? I've got 3. See that? So I'm going to put 3 10s down. How many 11s do I have? I have 1. How many 12s do I have? 2. How many 13s do I have? Just 1. And how many 14s do I have? Just 1. We're going to use this instead of the tally chart. It's going to be easier to take a look at our data. So when it asks us for the maximum, we're just going to skip to the largest number. Our maximum is 14. Our minimum is the smallest number, and we can see here our smallest number is 10. The range is going to be our maximum, 14, minus our minimum of 10. So our range is 4. The mode is the number that happens the most. And I can see from this set of numbers, 10 is the number I have the most of. I've got 3 10s. The median, I'm going to cross off 1 on each side now that the numbers are in order to find. He's got a friend, she's got a friend. He's got a friend, she's got a friend. He's got a friend, she's got a friend. These two numbers are left, 11 and 12. I would take the number 11 or 12 is the median, or you could take the number in the middle, which is going to be 11.5 or 11 5/10. If you have any questions, please shoot me an email. Have a great weekend. Good luck on your test.